Assalamualaikum. My name is Haima Hakim bin Sufizan. Our group will discuss about machine learning. There are three types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Now, I will pass to my friend and they will explain about that three types of learning. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Akif bin Muhammad Zulfizan, and right now I will present about supervised learning. Supervised learning is a machine learning method that learns from data with known answers. It uses labeled examples to identify patterns and categorize new information accurately. A common example is Face ID on smartphones, where the system learns from labeled face image and later recognize the correct person when a new face is scanned. Next, for the system first detects a face in the image. It then extracts important facial features such as the shape and the distance of the eyes, nose structure, jawline, and other facial landmarks. These features are used as the input for the learning process. For the next one, the engine. The learning engine analyzes the extracted facial features and finds patterns that connect those features with unknown identities. It learns how different facial characteristics respond to specific individuals. And for the analysis, when a face is scanned, the system compares the extracted facial feature with the trained data stored in the database. The system checks for similarities and determines whether the face matches a known identity. Lastly, the output. If the face matches a stored identity, the phone unlocks successfully. If the face does not match any stored identity, the phone asks the user to try again. So, why it is supervised? This is supervised learning because the system learns the relationship between input data and correct output. During training, each face image is provided with the correct answer in advance. For example, image of face Akif, Adli, and Shafiq. Because the correct labels are already known, the system learns, for example, rather than guessing blindly.
Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Muhammad Shafiq bin Aziz. So, next, I will explain about unsupervised learning. For this type of machine learning, a great real-life example is customer segmentation in e-commerce platforms like Shopee or Amazon. Now, let's look at the input data. When we use these apps, the system collects raw data like our search history, what we click on, and what we buy. However, this data is unlabeled at all. So, we don't tell the system like I am a gamer or I am a student or something else. No, we don't do that. So, what is the system trying to learn? Well, using a technique called clustering, the AI analyzes this messy data to find hidden patterns and similarities between the users. It will try to naturally group users who behave the same way into specific clusters or segments. Then, what about the output? The system can give you highly accurate product recommendations based on what people in your cluster are buying. Lastly, why does this belong to unsupervised learning? Well, this is because there is no teacher and no correct answers provided in advance. The system isn't trained with labeled data. It has to explore the raw, unstructured data on its own to discover the hidden categories. It will group things naturally without human intervention.
My name is Muhammad Adil Fikri bin Mustafa. For reinforcement learning, the concept is that the AI learns by interacting with an environment where it's learned through trial and error. It performs action and receives feedback in the form of reward and penalty. For example, self-driving car. The input data is collect information from its environment, including camera image, radar sensor, GPS location, vehicle speed, lane marking, and traffic sign. For linear system, the AI analyzes current road condition, distance to obstacle, traffic rule, possible action available, and the system will evaluate whether should it brake or turn or maintain speed. For learning mechanism, it gives reward or penalty based on action. For example, safe driving gets 10 reward, or reaching destination get 100 reward, or it has collision with other object, it get penalty 100, or running red light get penalty 50. For the output, the system output driving decisions such as brake, accelerate, turn left or right, or maintain speed. For example, if the AI detect red light, the output will be to brake. Why is it reinforcement learning? It's because it's learned through trial and error. It receives reward and penalty based on its action. The goal is to maintain total reward over time. The performance improves through interaction with the environment.
That's all from us. Thank you.